Tips for success with induction cooking. It is important to keep the control panel clean and dry and take care not to place hot cookware on the control panel to avoid damage to the electronics. A detailed cooking chart with power level recommendations for different types of cooking can be found in the product user guide. The range of power levels allows you to melt butter or keep foods warm, to steam foods, simmer sauces without burning, perfectly saute or fried foods, and of course bring water to a rapid boil in minutes. Induction-compatible cookware includes enamel cast iron, steel, and 5-ply clad stainless. When heating pans for cooking, use level 11 or 12 and heat for a minute. Then change to the preferred power level and then add oil to the pan. If your cookware emits a noticeable vibration when cooking, a different type of pan should be considered. Remember, before you begin cooking, turn on your ventilation to ensure that odors, steam, and grease are properly vented out. Cleaning. One of the best features of induction cooktops is the ease of cleaning the cooking surface. Cleaning the surface with a soft cloth or sponge that has been immersed in some hot soapy water once the glass has cooled will remove grease and general cooking stains. Once the cooktop is clean, apply a ceramic cooktop cleaner to keep the surface in pristine condition. The wok pan support can be cleaned with a damp cloth and wiped dry, but must not be immersed in water or in the dishwasher. Keeping the base of cookware clean will also ensure cooking stains do not get baked onto the glass. If your pans leave marks that do not come off with the ceramic glass cleaner, try a mild abrasive cleaner that contains no bleach, such as soft scrub or Bon Ami. To preserve the glass, care should be taken to avoid the following types of cleansers: caustic cleansers such as oven cleaner, glass cleaners which contain ammonia or chlorine bleach, metal scouring pads and scrub sponges, flammable cleaners, and soap-filled scouring pads. Detailed instructions for removing other types of soiling from cooking mishaps can be found in the product user guide.